Hello, friends. Starting a new episode, episode number 6. In earlier episodes, okay, let me quickly load my Jarvis web series. Okay, so in earlier episodes, I showed you power of our voice with generative AI, with NLP, with LLM, with automation. Okay, now in this episode, I'm going to show you the power of Vision AI. Okay, so please don't get scared looking at this. I'll explain one by one. Okay. Let's turn my video so I think you can see how I'm working. Yeah, so Jarvis has three eyes. Okay. Um, okay. So I think you can see both cameras together. So this is my laptop camera is the first eye. If you see, I'm blocking my laptop camera vision. Okay. So on the left side, you can see that. Okay. And on the right side, if I block my mobile phone, which I'm using as the second eye or the right eye. Okay. So I'm just moving like this, like this. Okay. So, all right. Now, so in this setup, I am recording this video and I'll show you what you can do when you apply Vision AI with different things. Okay. So let's see what it says. So the first I says, it's so boring that I can't move and see other things except recognizing his face every time. Okay. Yeah. The second one says, thank God I can move and see this beautiful world. Okay. I showed you how we can move mobile camera to any place. I can put it on anything. Okay. And the third eye. Okay. So let's start with the third eye first, then the second eye, and then finally the first eye, which is useless fellow. Anyway, let's start. Start listening. Close your first eye. So stop listening. So it was already there, opened here. I just closed it. Okay. Um, Start listening. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you the third eye. Okay, which is the screen bot, and then we'll come back to the vision bot. Okay. Let's start. Stop listening. Start listening. Activate module number 21. Please activate module number 21.
Screen bot activated.
Okay, let's see. Tell me, Jarvis has how many eyes?
Jarvis has 3 eyes.
Do you know you are talking about yourself? Okay, ignore this comment. Mm, I am opening some browser. Okay, let's say my career portal. Okay. Tell me the statement that you see about curiosity.
Curiosity often leads to an ocean of discovery.
Perfect. Now, please tell me what you see on the left side. What are the options? Tell me.
Ideas. Language, Python. Data structures. Algorithms and patterns. Data analytics, VBA XL SQL DB. Testing, QA domain. Python-driven test automation. Java-driven test automation. DevOps essentials, CI/CD. Cloud and system design. All cheat sheets.
Excellent. Now, tell me what do you see on the right side?
09.98. 10. In. 5 degrees. Omicron. Eng. In. Ear Zoom. In LinkedIn. YouTube. /LeetCode. Facebook. HackerRank. Contact me. 13 hours 17 minutes and 13 seconds. September 11th, 2024.
Okay, so you picked up the system date time also on the top bottom, sorry, right side bottom also. All right, not a problem. Stop listening. All right, so you can navigate to any. Okay, let's type one thing. Okay, let's see this one. Start listening. Tell me, what do you see about prompt engineering in this page?
The page mentions a course called Generative AI online program which is focused on mastering prompt engineering. It is a 5-month project-based learning program. More information can be found in the syllabus and Generative AI tools FAQs provided on the page.
All right. Now, let me open my mailbox. Stop listening for a while.
Sure.
Start listening.
Listening in English.
Tell me the authentication code that you can see in this email.
The authentication code that can be seen in the email is 906,105.
Okay, tell me the requirements for this role.
Bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience required. 2 years of experience with software development in one or more programming languages, or 1 year of experience with an advanced degree. 2 years of experience with data structures or algorithms. 1 year of experience with speech/audio technology, reinforcement learning, or specialization in another ML field. 1 year of experience with ML infrastructure such as model deployment, model evaluation, optimization, data processing, A. Please read the remaining response here.
Okay, let's try and apply. Oh, okay. Stop listening. I think it predicted the future. If I ever try to apply such, the answer will be 404. All right, that's a fun. Okay. Okay, I'm closing this. So, I think you understood how we can, talk to the screen. Okay, you can ask anything, whatever is the. Okay, let me show my video. The last one was unpredictable. So, so basically, yeah, so you can actually talk to your screen, whatever is displayed. So screen is the biggest camera. It doesn't open and close like the other typical cameras that shows a video stream, but the screen contains or continuously portrays information, okay, which you can process further with Vision AI, with generative AI, and many things are running behind. Okay, I just showed you a couple of examples. Maybe I can show a few more so that you will understand that whatever is displayed on screen, you can actually generate content, analyze content, create content, modify, extract, I mean, do whatever you want. Okay. So I'm going to show you some examples from Word document, PowerPoint, Excel, etc., etc. Okay. And see how, things, I mean, you're able to extract the information, okay, whichever you want. All right. So I'm closing my screen. Okay. So this is a LinkedIn desktop version. Close display.
Multiple action matches this description, kindly be more specific.
Start listening. Close display. So I'm going to my LinkedIn page. Okay, Friday, tell me the URL that you can see here.
URL visible in the LinkedIn profile, www.linkedin.com/in/joydeep-basu-4760763.
Tell me how many followers do I have and how many connections I have in LinkedIn.
You have 396 followers on LinkedIn. You have 345 connections on LinkedIn.
Perfect. All right. Now let me close and let's now go to the sample data set. Okay. So Yeah, don't take it as a command. Okay, stop listening for a while. Yeah, so I'm going to open any different types of files on my screen. Okay, last examples I showed you different applications, like I opened my mailbox, opened the LinkedIn on browser, okay, etc., etc. My web page. So now I'm going to open these documents one after other, and I will ask some questions or maybe ask to generate it. Okay, see how it works. All right, start listening. Please make a list of all the CSS parameters along with their corresponding values.
Generating my response in PDF, it's little long to read out.
All right, so this is the response. Okay, so you see, I just processed a CSS file with my query, and it has generated the response in PDF because it's a bit long to read out. All right, yeah, perfect. Let me go to the page source. Okay. List out all the references I used here under the head tag.
Index.js, index.css, https://code.jquery.com/jquery 3.5.1.slim.min.js, https://cdnjs.cloudflare.com/ajax/lib/font awesome/6.4.2/css/all.min/css,
Okay.
https://cdn.jsdeliver.net/npm/bootstrap at 5.3.2/dist/css/bootstrap.min/css, https://cdn.jsdeliver.net/npm/bootstrap at
Stop.
5.3.2/dist/js/bootstrap.bundle.min/js, https://cdn.jsdeliver.net/npm/chart.jsv2 at 2.0.0/chart.min/js, https://cdnjs.cloudflare.com/ajax/lib/jspdf/1.3.2/jspdf.min/js.
Oh my God. Uh, you see, it's not a wise idea to ask it to read out everything. So, if it is a code, then it reads out because it's not a fault of the program because you asked it to tell. Okay, so you are sending a query. So instead of that, if you ask it to generate some information, then it will not read out all these characters like that. Okay, so stop listening. Okay, let me be little bit of okay. Next time I'll ask to generate something, or maybe I'll ask a shorter query. Okay, start listening. Just list out. Please list out only the function names and the parameters, as you can see in this JavaScript.
T, N text, N, GV, P, G4, H, Document.add event listener, type, listener. Fetch, input. Set timeout, function, milliseconds. Toggle display, element 1, element 2.
That's far better. Okay, now, yeah, image. Tell me, what do you see about time and clock?
Time and clock are mentioned in the text as symbols of continuous flow and endlessness. The text implies that time flows through a clock endlessly, representing the concept of eternal continuity.
That is a nice explanation, by the way. So it just analyzed the image and answered to the question. Okay. Now let me open, let's say, a document. Stop listening. This is not a comment. Start listening. List out all the top 10 data structure, as you can see here, and also the patterns.
Data structures. 1 linked list. 2 stack. 3 queue. 4 tree. 5 heap. 6 tree, BST. 7 graph. 8 array, matrix. 9 hash table. 10 string. Patterns. Brute force. Recursive. Backtracking. Searching. Sorting. Hashing. Divide and conquer. Greedy. Dynamic programming. Randomized.
No, you have done a mistake. You picked up data structure list correctly, but not the patterns. So you picked up the algorithms. Now, I want you to tell me all the patterns that you can see here. Only the patterns. And tell me.
Sliding window. 2 pointers. Heap, 2 heap. Heap k-way merge. Fast and slow pointers. Modified binary search. Dynamic programming. Matrix traversal. Linked list in place reversal. Binary tree, BFS. Binary tree, DFS. Backtracking. Heap top k elements. Merge intervals. Bitwise XOR, manipulation. Topological sort. Longest common subsequence. Monotonic stack. Cyclic sort. Subsets.
Stop listening. See? Okay. Here I want to make a comment. So, do not expect that each time it will give exactly the right answer, whatever you say, because you are talking like a human, okay? And you are trying to express your query appropriately to Jarvis, okay? Which sometimes if Jarvis incorrectly understands. So in such cases, you have to clarify your query, what exactly you are looking for. So in this example, the first time it took partial data, okay, or 50% correct results it returned. But second time when I clarified that I only want to return the patterns, and it returned absolutely correctly, right? So this is a learning. So if one time if you are not getting the right result, just ask the second time, okay? Anyway, or third time, okay, or modify your query, whichever works. Okay, so I think we have processed Word document as well. Let's move to PPT. Start listening. Tell me on which date I prepared this PPT. Please tell me the date of this presentation. As you can see,
The date of the presentation is 16 March 2024.
now please list out all the names or items that you can see in this table.
Generating my response in PDF, it's little long to read out.
Stop listening for a while. See, these are the items basically it picked up from the list, and I think it's absolutely correct. Okay, so it just created a PDF with the query, with the items I asked for from the PowerPoint file. Okay, so okay, so I think that's enough for this, and I really don't want to. Yeah, I just showed you a sample. So this is I will explain during the folder. Okay, I think this is a good one. Start listening. Can you please tell me what you see in the slide?
The text "Can you please tell me what you see in this light?" is present in the input data provided.
No, okay. Let me maximize it. Okay, now tell me, what do you see in this slide?
No such window found.
Tell me, what do you see in this slide?
One, the slide talks about things appearing simple at the surface level. 2, complexity arises when you start to deep dive into the subject matter.
I want you to tell me the exact text that you can see.
I can see the following exact text. 1, AI. 2, I want you to tell me the exact text that you can see. 3, U. 4, well, everything looks simple at surface level. 5, complexity begins when you deep dive. 6, Kai.
Stop listening for a while. You see why it responded like that? When I issued the command, that command was also visible in the ribbon. Okay, so it included everything, not only the text of the slide as well as the command. Okay, so yeah, okay, I think that's enough for this PPT. Um, let's go to PDF. Start listening. Tell me the 5 GitHub collaboration workflows that you can see here.
To find the 5 GitHub collaboration workflows in the provided text, we need to identify the relevant sections related to GitHub collaboration workflows. 1 basic/centralized workflow. 2 feature branch workflow. 3 feature workflow with develop branch. 4 git flow workflow, hotfix and release branch. 5 fork and clone workflow.
That is correct. All right. Next, okay, let's try with some different file types. Tell me, what is the log4j version number that you can see on my screen?
The log4j version number in the provided pom.xml file is 2.17.2.
And that is a right answer. Okay. Thank you. Now I am going to open the products.json. Okay. Tell me the specification for ID number 1.
Color, black. Storage, 128 GB. Battery, 4000 mAh.
No, I want other details. Okay, yeah, okay, sorry. You actually answered correctly. I asked for specification and you have written the correct specification. Now, okay, stop listening. Start listening. Please tell me the attributes of ID number 1.
The attributes for ID number 1 are as follows. Type, product. Name, smartphone. Brand, tech brand. Price, $699.99. Category, electronics. Color, black. Storage, 128 GB. Battery, 4000 mAh. Manufacturer ID, MANU01. Manufacturer name, TechCorp. Manufacturer email, contact@techcorp.com. Manufacturer phone, +98765432210.
Perfect. All right. Next example. Let's take a log file. Um, Please tell me the log date format, as you can see here.
The log date format mentioned in the log file is %y%m%d%h%m%s.
Perfect. Now, what else? I think these are the similar. I have already shown PPT. Okay. Um, Tell me. Okay. Um,
Too short description, could you please elaborate a bit?
Please pronounce or tell me the password of the username Thor.
The password of the username Thor is Mjolnir.
What? What did you say? Okay, leave it. Okay. Okay. So stop listening for a while. So guys, I think you have seen, practically I asked any question on any file, any application, whatever contents is displayed on the screen, and I asked for the information and it returned. So I believe you can imagine how much productivity it can increase at your day-to-day action, working with different elements. Basically whatever you see on your screen, if you can extract information, summarize information like that, regenerate information like that, I believe you can see how useful it can be, right? Okay, next I'll show the second eye. That is the so basically here I interacted with the digital contents. Okay, now I will move and I will show how you can use Vision AI to interact with physical contents. Okay, let me take this out and yeah. So whatever, this is a movable camera. Okay, you can place it on anywhere. You can ask for anything. So start listening. Stop listening. I think I need to use the front camera for a better clarity. Yes. So that's a better or clear picture. Start listening. Activate module number 20.
Vision bot activated.
Tell me the WhatsApp number that you can see here.
+91226 101 4560.
See, guys. So I am now, okay. What happened to my, yeah, now it's correct. So now you see I am interacting with the real world objects through the video streaming. Okay. I will show you. I just need a break quickly, okay, because it's anyway a bit long video. So I am pausing this video here itself, and we'll start from after the break. Okay. Hello guys, I'm back. So let's now talk to the outside world through the Vision AI. Okay. I mean, I'm using this movable camera, the second eye or the webcam. Okay, and I'm going to talk to different elements and will extract or generate information. Okay, let's see. Start listening. Add four parameters to active list. One, ID. Two, name. Three, city. Four, mobile. Please add four parameters to active list. One, ID. Two, name. Three, city. And four, mobile.
Active list updated with below items.
Please extract active list parameters. 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 Stop listening. See, this is how you can extract. I just showed you how to extract your custom handwriting or custom handwritten parameters. Okay. Let's move to a more serious example other than this. Okay. I'm going to now extract information from the electricity bill. Okay. Stop listening. Start listening. Add, please add two parameters in active list. One is total unit. Second is a rebate.
Active list updated with below items.
I didn't say rabbit, I said rebate. Okay. Please add three parameters in active list. One is consumer number, two is total unit, and three is net amount payable.
Active list updated with below items.
Please extract the active list parameters. No, that is one information is incorrect. So it is 3720 and not 3700. So let me zoom a little bit. Please extract the active list parameters. Yes, now that's correct. And I think this is something. Stop listening for a while. Yeah, that was something related to the formatting, but information is correct. Okay, so I just copied paste the format. Extract active list parameters. Please extract the active list parameters. I think I need to use a stand, otherwise this video feed is not generating the right response. Okay, this is better. Um, Please extract the active list parameters now. See, so the position, the luminance, this thing matters. Okay. So anyhow, I think I showed you the point how you can use this for extracting information. Okay. Now try with better camera with proper ambient and not like this. There are a lot of shades and lighting effect is, you know, affecting the accuracy. Extract active list parameters. Yes, this is correct. All right. So I think enough example. You understood the point I tried to show. Let's try with some other examples apart from this. So, I mean, instead of that, you can imagine any type of other bills or any type of other documents. So just think about the digital transformation of the physical document. Okay. Yeah, this is just an example. You can imagine your related use cases, how you can transfer the digital copy, sorry, the physical copy into the digital form. Okay. And like this, summarizing these facts and figures just with one command. Okay. So let's now uh, show me an example how AI can be useful to teachers to speed up their work. So I am taking exercise copy of my kid, okay, and okay, this is a difficult example because here it is written in pencil. Okay, so okay, let's try. I mean, there is nothing to try, wrong to try. Uh, Start listening. Read the full comprehension and tell me the results or the answers for against each question, whether they are correct or not.
Generating my response in PDF, it's little long to read out.
Stop listening for a while. So let me show you the screen first. So this is the first question. Why was the goose a special one? Okay. Um, and the answer, the goose was special because it laid a golden egg every day. Number one. Okay. Second question is, what did the man do with the gold? Okay. And it returned, the man sold the gold to buy a farm and soon became rich. He also built a house for himself. Okay. Which is aligned with the response. Okay. Why did the man cut open the goose? Why did the man cut open the goose? The man cut open the goose thinking that he would get all the gold at once. the goose, thinking that he will get all the gold at once. So you see the exact information it has picked up. 4 is true false. Okay, what is true and what is false? Write true and false. The man killed the goose so that he could eat it. The answer is false. The man killed the goose so that he could eat it. The answer is false. Okay. Second, the man lost the magic goose because he was greedy. That is true. The man lost the magic goose because he was greedy. That is true. Okay. And the third answer is the man saw the goose was an ordinary saw that the goose was an ordinary goose when he cut it open. So answer is true. The man saw that the goose was an ordinary because he cut open a group. So you can see that this way it is basically picking up the results, and also there are some more answers like find the words in the story which are opposite to this word. So bought, sold, poor, rich, slowly blank, and found lost. Okay, let's see what it has done. Find the words in the story, it's opposite to the words. Perfect. So bought, found, no, that is sold. That is a wrong answer. Poor, rich, sold, bought. Okay, so this is rich, poor, special one. Okay, I think some information below here is jumbled up. Otherwise, it actually picked up accurately. Okay, from this distance. Again, remember this. At in which condition I am asking. So I asked it from here like this, okay, and it read or it generated the response with that much accuracy. Okay, so if you put it properly, okay, page by page, then you will get 100% correct result, or yeah, that's the expectation. All right, so you understood what I tried to show, right? So that was for teachers. Okay, now one more example, and the last one I'll show. So this is for the children, or the students. Okay, I'm just kidding. There is no response here. Okay, start listening. Read the whole comprehension and tell me answers for each of the question.
One, the hare was proud of the speed at which he could run. 2, the hare was sure that he would win the race. 3, the tortoise won the race because he was slow but steady and did not forget his goal from start to finish. 4. A, the hare thought the tortoise was slow. B, the hare went off to sleep beneath a shady tree. C, the tortoise went past the sleeping hare. 5. A, the tortoise smiled. B, the tortoise went on slowly.
Now see the questions again. Stop listening. What was the hare proud of? And then these are the question. Okay, what was the hare sure of? The tortoise like that. Okay, and last question, make sentences with smiled and slowly. And here it generated response. Sorry, that was a earlier response, and the current response it generated, yes, here. So answer 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 is the tortoise smiled, which is the right answer actually. With make sentence with smiled. So that is the right answer. Slowly, the tortoise went on slowly. Okay, and the first answer, what was the hare proud of? The hare was proud of the speed at which he could win. He could run like that. Okay, so I think you understood the point. Okay, this is how you can generate answers using AI. But students, please don't do that. That will be an abuse of AI and not the right use of AI. If you are supposed to, do the exercise, do it by yourself. Okay. All right. Yeah, and maybe one more example and the last example of this Vision AI. Um, Start listening. Tell me something about Cinderella, as you can see here. Start listening. Please tell me, please tell me something about Cinderella, as you can see here.
Cinderella is a beautiful and young girl who is very sweet in nature. Despite being treated poorly by her stepmother and stepsisters, she remains kind-hearted.
You see, stop listening for a while. That's how you can talk to the content. Okay. Now, this is a Cinderella book. So you can imagine any book, any physical copy, and okay, let me show myself. So in this way, you can actually talk to any of the real-time books, okay, and ask question, have a conversation with that. Okay, you can do a lot of things. Okay, now um, also not not just that, you can generate PDF, you can extract it, you can publish it as a book in a different language, okay, because you have the power of NLP to, sorry, the translation. So you can convert the text into a different. So let me just show quickly. Mm, Start listening. Sorry, I closed it accidentally, not reverse. It's a landscape mode. Yes. Capture snapshot. Open snapshots folder. Clear snapshots folder. Please clear the snapshots folder. Capture snapshots automatically. Clear commands. Please clear the comments. Please generate or create a image PDF from all the snapshots. All right, so you can see that it has instantly created the PDF. Okay, stop listening like that. Now start listening. Create a text PDF from all the snapshots. All right, so guys, stop listening. Please stop listening. So you can see that I have created a text PDF, okay, from all the images. Now I just took the images randomly, not properly. Okay, so if you place your camera properly and shoot the video, then you can instantly create an perfect book, and then you can publish it to any language. Okay, so these are different examples of Vision AI. Okay, I think, okay, let's close this. Uh, I think I showed you enough examples. Now you can interact with real time objects, okay, around the world. Okay, I mean, apart from your digital content in the laptop. Okay, so just imagine other cases. Okay, just it will work like that. Before closing this episode or ending this episode, I am showing you the use of the first eye, okay, which is used for the facial recognition. Okay, so start listening. Close webcam.
Multiple action matches this description, kindly be more specific.
Please close the webcam. Start facial recognition. Okay, can you see my face properly? So this is supposed to run at the very beginning. Whenever you will open Jarvis, it will first thing it will ask is your biometric authentication, and once it is validated, then only you will be able to operate. Now, why are you taking time? The recording software is consuming a lot of resources, so sometime I see a lag. Um, okay, finally, you took a lot of
Biometric
time.
authentication successful. Welcome back, creator.
Yes. So guys, I think that's it in this video. Okay. If you are excited looking at these capabilities, I would say please wait for upcoming episodes, because until now I just showed you the individual abilities, okay, the individual abilities of generative AI, LLM, automation, and then voice and vision. Okay, now starting from next episode, that is episode number 7, I will show you the OMG bots, okay, which are far more advanced bots than this, and which combines all these abilities together. So it's not just vision AI or voice AI or LLM, okay, it will use 4 or 5 all of them at once, okay. And the most special one, that will be the workflow, okay, when I describe that how you can create sequence of action to increase your productivity like 10x or 20x or 100x, I don't know, but it will help a lot, okay. So please keep watching, okay, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for your time. Bye.